Good day! We are the first group from grade 11, St. Joseph the Worker, under the supervision of Sir James Andrew Baculo. And today, we will be conducting an experiment called dehydration of sugar, which is also known as carbon snake. As the name implies, our experiment will elaborate how when we remove the water from the molecule, we will basically be left with an elemental carbon. Or in simple terms, it will elaborate how the sulfuric acid takes away the water from the sugar.
The materials that we will be needing are table sugar and sulfuric acid. Table sugar is also known as sucrose, a form of carbohydrate with the chemical formula of C12H22O11. In this experiment, we will be separating the sugar into carbon and water using sulfuric acid, which is commonly known as vitriol oil and has a chemical formula of H2SO4. In this experiment, we should perform proper safety precautions since we will be dealing with concentrated sulfuric acid, which has the ability to burn our skin. We should wear our gloves, eye protection, and lab coat.
Now, we will start off our experiment by slowly pouring the sulfuric acid into the sugar. Immediately after pouring the sulfuric acid, we can observe that the mixture turned yellow and bubbles are out. These bubbles are actually air escaping from the mixture.
Now, using a stirring rod, we will carefully mix the compounds together. At this point, we can observe that the mixture slowly turns black. And we can also start to feel the mixture heating up as the sugar reacts to the sulfuric acid as it takes away the water content of the sugar. The stirring helps to increase the rate of the reaction, in which the sulfuric acid rips off the hydrogen and oxygen molecules, forming water.
Now we will just give it a few more seconds of stirring. We should be really careful and keep proper distance as the temperature of the mixture can go as high as 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. Now, we can see that fumes are coming out, namely carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and sulfur dioxide gas, which is a product of the reaction, and the mixture is turned into a black foam-like substance, which is the carbon. As the result of the sulfuric acid dehydrating the sugar. The carbon rising up is the result of the evolving gases, forcing their way through the mixture as the reaction proceeds.
Expansion of the mixture is the result of evaporation of water and carbon dioxide inside the container, where the gases inflate the mixture to form a snake-like shape and give off a burnt sugar smell.
This dehydration reaction is a type of elimination reaction, wherein two substituents are removed from a molecule. We can compare this experiment to our bodily functions, in which our body breaks down sugar or any of our carbohydrate intake, and makes use of it as energy, ATP, proteins, fats, and gas, which are essentials to our daily living.
Did you know when the sugar is fully dehydrated, energy was given out in the form of heat? During the experiment, we can observe smoke and vapor from the mixture, a reaction called exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction is the process of releasing energy, usually in form of heat and light. This energy is released because the total of energy of the products is less than the total energy of the reactants.